Generate stunning AI images for free with Clipdrop step-by-step tutorial. Stop paying hashtag Midjourney for generative AI images. With hashtag Clipdrop you can do the same, for free. Here is on how to use it. 1. Clipdrop is a game changer for visual content creation. In a world that thrives on visuals, efficiency in integrating images is crucial. This breakthrough tool uses advanced AI to revolutionize image processing. Here's an overview of its main features. 2. First up is stable Diffusion XL. It's an incredible AI text-to-image model that turns written descriptions into stunning, photorealistic images. Perfect for websites, social media, slide decks, and more. Let AI bring your ideas to life. 3. Generating images with Clipdrop is a breeze. Simply type what you want to see a picture of, and it'll produce 4 fantastic options. If none of them fit your vision, no worries. You can regenerate all 4 images for a new take on your description. 4. Let your creativity shine with Clipdrop. For instance, I typed Tom Cruise drinking coffee in a field with cows, with one watch on each hand as a random demo. And guess what? Clipdrop delivered an intriguing image. 5. Next is the ability to uncrop images. We all love those Twitter posts where popular images are zoomed out to reveal what else could have been happening. Clipdrop uses AI to extend the canvas and create additional content that wasn't there when the photo was taken. 6. With Clipdrop's uncropping feature, you have the power to unlock hidden details in your images. Explore new perspectives, tell different stories, and captivate your audience with fresh and exciting content. 7. Clipdrop is a one-stop shop for stunning images and visual storytelling. Whether you're a designer, marketer, or content creator, this tool has something extraordinary to offer. Embrace the future of visual content creation with Clipdrop.